Hi everyone, it's Donna Cutting, founder and CEO of redcarpetlearning.com. And if you're watching this, it tells me that you have some interest in our Red Carpet Do-It-Yourself with Help program. This is the program for leaders and organizations who really do want to take their customer experience up to the next great level, but perhaps you're not ready to delve into a full 2-year program yet, year and a half, or you don't want to spend all the financial resources it would take to build something that is brandable. You just want to get started. And you know that you have a leadership team who, if they were just given the tools and a little guidance, could run with this without a whole lot of hand-holding. Well, then, if that sounds like you, this may be the perfect way to go. Here's what we do. One of our team members, one of our star facilitators will come and do a kickoff at your organization where we get everybody excited and thinking about what does it take to build a culture of customer service excellence. And that means even if you feel like you're giving great customer service already, how do you make it more consistent? How do you raise the bar, take it up to that next great level? Then we invite a few of your leaders, depending on the agreement that we have with each other. It could be 2, it could be 5, it could be 10, it could be 20, to our leadership conference in Asheville, North Carolina. At this point, typically held in April. We have one coming up in April 2019. And there is where they will learn the step-by-step process that we use with our other customers to take their cultures up to that next level of service excellence. Then we can either go to you and deliver train the trainer programs, depending on how large your company is, or you can send some people to Asheville in April to go through our Train the Trainer program. You will receive with that our Treat Your Customers Like Stars training kit, and then we do more. After that, we will give you access to an online training program for your leaders. Every single month, they will receive a video and assignments that will give them a step-by-step process going along with just what they learned at the leadership conference, but given to them in phases. So every month they will have a new topic to focus on, some new actions to take to help get you to that level of red carpet service that you are wanting to achieve. Now, what we don't have is we don't have the brandable custom tools here. We don't have implementation coaches, but we don't want to just leave it at that. And so every single month we will have Q&A calls, group calls where people in this program or using this experience can call in and ask any question that they have related to the curriculum, any challenges or opportunities that they're facing. So like I said, this is the do-it-yourself program, but we're not really having you do it yourself. We are still here to help and support you every step of the way. So if this sounds like something you're looking for, if you want those results, you want higher employee engagement, you want better customer satisfaction scores, rave reviews, shorter sales cycles, but you feel like your team has this, they could just use a little extra support, then this might be the program for you. I would love to discuss it with you. Give me a call at 800-519-0434 or email us at stars@redcarpetlearning.com, and we will happily set up a complimentary consultation and go from there. Until then, keep living and working the red carpet way.